Prompt engineering for personal growth and coaching transforms AI into a powerful tool for self-awareness, motivation, and transformation. With the right prompts, you can use AI as a life coach, reflection partner, and accountability companion, helping you grow with clarity and purpose. Let's begin with self-reflection prompts. These help you explore emotions, beliefs, and goals with structure. Instead of asking, "How can I be happier?" try a more guided prompt. Ask me 5 reflective questions to help me understand what truly gives me fulfillment in my daily life. The AI can act like a journaling guide, helping you uncover insights that might otherwise stay hidden. You can also use goal-setting prompts to bring clarity to your ambitions. For example, help me set 3 SMART goals for improving my health and work-life balance. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. When you include these details in your prompt, AI can help you create actionable goals instead of vague intentions. Next are motivation and mindset prompts. These are designed to inspire you during times of uncertainty or low energy. Try act as a life coach and write a motivational message to remind me why consistency is more important than perfection. Or give me 3 practical ways to rebuild confidence after a setback. These kinds of prompts turn AI into a positive, encouraging presence. For coaches and personal development professionals, AI can help design entire coaching programs. For instance, create a 6-week personal growth plan focused on self-discipline and mindfulness, including weekly challenges and reflection questions. This helps you save time while maintaining structure and variety in your sessions. You can also use identity-based prompts to help align your goals with your deeper sense of purpose. Ask, "Help me define the type of person I want to become over the next year, based on my core values." AI can help you turn abstract ideals into specific behavioral commitments, bridging the gap between who you are and who you want to be. Another powerful approach is using AI for habit transformation. Prompts like, "Act as a behavioral coach and help me replace my habit of scrolling at night with a calming bedtime routine," can yield personalized action steps that are practical and motivating. The AI's role is not to judge, but to guide reflection and design better choices. Visualization prompts can also help you strengthen motivation. For example, describe a detailed version of my ideal morning routine that sets me up for success. When AI paints that vivid picture, it becomes easier to imagine and act on the future you want. For emotional awareness, try perspective-shifting prompts. Ask, "Help me reframe this negative thought, 'I'm behind in life,' into a more empowering mindset." The AI can offer cognitive reframing techniques drawn from positive psychology and coaching practices. Accountability is another key area. You can ask, "Act as my accountability coach. Each morning, ask me what my top 3 priorities are, and in the evening, ask me to reflect on what I accomplished." These recurring prompts make AI a consistent partner in maintaining discipline. Finally, for long-term personal development, use life design prompts. For instance, help me design a 1-year personal growth roadmap that includes goals for health, relationships, and creativity. This creates a vision aligned with your values and daily actions. In short, prompt engineering for personal growth and coaching is about creating conversations with purpose. Each well-crafted prompt helps you think deeper, act smarter, and grow stronger. AI becomes not just a productivity tool, but a trusted reflection partner, one that helps you turn self-awareness into lasting transformation.